I also want to review how do you end up graphing a parabola. Okay, and really what you're going to do is you're going to use the step pattern. And when you've got your step pattern, you know you've got your x value, you know you've got your normal y1 value, and then you've got your y2 value, so your new translated version. Okay, and so your x pattern indicates your over. So you will go over 1 from the vertex, then over 2 from the vertex, and over 3 from the vertex. The y1 is your vertical change. Okay, and so in a standard y equals x squared parabola, you go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9, all from the vertex. Okay, and then if you want to figure out your y2 value, so there's been some kind of the a value is different than positive 1. Your y2 value is the same as y1 times your a value. Okay, and so for example, I'm not going to actually give you the coordinates for this piece, but we know that our a value is actually 3. Okay, so the a value equals positive 3. So that means we're going to multiply each of the y1 values, which are right here, by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12, 9 times 3 is 27, and 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, now anytime you graph this, you have to graph and do your up and over chart from the vertex. So we need to know where the vertex is. So we've got to figure out the HK values. So in this case, our H value is positive 1, and our K value is positive 3. So the vertex is at positive 1, positive 3. Okay, again, the vertex is always the HK value. In the next example down here, very similarly, you have to figure out your AHK values as well as your vertex. So the A value is going to be negative 0.5. Your H value is going to be negative 2. Your K value will be negative 4. Okay, so every one of these things is going to be multiplied by negative 0.5. So if we multiply uh, our y1 values by the a value, we get the y2 value. So 1 times negative 0.5 is negative 0.5. 4 times negative 0.5 is negative 2. 9 times negative 0.5 is negative 4.5. And 16 times negative 5 is negative 8. Okay, so again, this has to be your uh, over 1 down 0.5, over 2 down 2, over 3 down negative 4.5, over 4 down 8. Okay, and it's all relative to the vertex. You always go back to your vertex to do your over piece. So your vertex in this instance is going to be negative 2, negative 4. Okay, so make sure you can pull out your AHK values and then identify what your vertex is, figure out what your new Y2 values are going to be. And that's how you will go around using the step pattern to graph using an equation.